In the first video, we covered planning and analysis. Now we move into the most critical phase of the SAP S4HANA journey, preparation. This is the phase that determines whether your conversion is controlled and predictable or reactive and expensive. Preparation is about making your SAP ECC environment conversion ready, technically, functionally, and operationally. Let's begin with general preparation. Start by setting up a true sandbox copied from production. Run multiple conversion iterations, not just one. Track errors, duration, dependencies, and most importantly, fix issues in production early so they don't repeat across dev, QA, and production conversions. Run simplification item checks and prioritize error codes 7 and 8. These must be resolved before conversion can proceed. Install and execute ABAP Test Cockpit and the custom code migration tools. Identify all custom code that references deprecated tables or transactions. Early remediation significantly reduces conversion downtime. Security must also be addressed early. S4 introduces new Fiori applications and deprecates certain transactions. This is the right time to evaluate whether you migrate existing roles or redesign your authorization model entirely. A detailed cutover list should be created now, covering pre-conversion, conversion, and post-conversion tasks. This list will be reused and refined for Sandbox, Dev, QA, and production. Now let's talk about finance, the highest impact and highest risk domain. Revenue recognition may require moving from classic SD revenue recognition to SAP RAR. This is not just technical, it affects contract accounting logic. Classic asset accounting must transition to new asset accounting. General ledger migrates to new GL. Material ledger becomes mandatory in S4. If actual costing is required, design decisions must be made early. Credit management shifts to SAP FSCM with business partner roles and Fiori apps. Margin analysis should be evaluated as a replacement or complement to costing COPA. Finance errors identified in the readiness check must be corrected in production before conversion. If this is not done, reconciliation risk increases significantly. Now sales. Customer and vendor data must be prepared for business partner conversion using the CVI tool. Run CVI pre-check programs to detect number range conflicts, address inconsistencies, and integration gaps before conversion. Legacy rebate processing transitions to condition contracts. Output management decisions must be made, continue with NAST or move to BARF Plus. Advanced ATP should be evaluated carefully. It provides new functionality but may introduce additional licensing considerations. If SAP CRM functionality like subscription management or lead and opportunity management exists, migration complexity must be assessed early. Some capabilities may require phased redesign rather than direct conversion. Here's the bottom line. Preparation is where risk is eliminated. It protects financial integrity. It stabilizes order to cash. It reduces downtime. And it prevents costly rework during conversion. Strong preparation turns SAP S4HANA into a structured program. Weak preparation turns it into a recovery project. In the next video, we'll shift focus to operational readiness, specifically manufacturing and quality management, along with purchasing, inventory, and warehouse management. These areas directly impact production continuity, supply chain stability, and customer fulfillment, and they require their own focused preparation strategy before conversion. We'll break down what CIOs need to watch closely in those domains to ensure business operations remain uninterrupted.